it's your mommy and I'm back for another video. And for today's video, we're going somewhere interesting, which is inside the Clark. And we'll see what's going on there, what's happening. Is there any restaurants open? Is there any business places we can go, like stuff like that? And we'll see, and I'll give you guys updates on what's going on. So we're inside the Clark now. In this area, I think there's no change because it's just like the same before. I've been here a lot before because of my friends. They go a lot in here. So I'm with them when before the lockdown I was here, but I think in this area it's just like the same, and I'll show you guys later for more video like what's happening here during this pandemic. So hey guys, guess where am I now? I'm still inside the Clark, and right now I'm at the CDC Clark. It's the park here, and I'm so amazed. There's people, but I can count them. Unlike before, like there's a lot. You can see people here walking, taking pictures, doing something, vlogging and stuff. And now, I can't see any. I can see some people just. Let me count them. There's one, there's two and three, and that's all. And I'm amazed. See, I'm gonna show you guys. It's so peaceful. Like it's so quiet here. It's good. Um, and for your information, guys, there is no single person here that is positive on COVID-19. Um, Sometimes they're announcing saying that there's positive, like a COVID positive here, but the thing is, there's no people here that got any virus. The thing is, some people work here, they're from Angeles, and they will come here, and they don't get the virus here. It's from outside, it's from Angeles City or different place in Pampanga, but not in here. So I'm surprised too that there is restaurants that are open already, unlike before. I hear that it was so like zero when the lockdown starts, but now I think it's getting better. See, it's so quiet. So here's the Aqua Planet. I think it's still closed, guys. This is a beautiful place, Aqua Planet. You see? Ye- I think it's still closed, but as you can see outside, it's still really big and see that. That's so big. I'm here now. It's still at the CDC, and at this place where there's a lot of seafood and stuff, and they call it Mangan Tamu. Yeah, it's this place. I'll show it. See that place? Before, they have like a lot of street foods there, the vendor, and that's every night. Like, you can see a lot of people going here just to eat different type of foods, and now gone. And I hope it's gonna be better soon. And at right this place, right, right at the back, that place, they usually have a band there, which people singing and stuff, and also like a bistro, you can drink too. But now all zero. There's no people here at all. You can see cars going through, but not people here eating because it's all closed. So here's the Nayong Filipino inside this Clark, and it's so clean, guys. They usually have a field trip in here, but not in this time because it's pandemic. But see, I am enjoying this place right now because it's so clean and so peaceful. See that? So we're here at the airport, but they didn't let us through because I think you can just go here when you have a flight. And see, it's all clean, guys, all clean. So I think you can just go here when you have a flight or something, but we didn't get through, so I'll just show you how clean, and there's no people here at all. Only the guards and us. So. Here, guys, this is the picnic grounds, and I'm so surprised. There's still people here that will do picnics and stuff. So I think it's safe now in Clark. Cause see, guys, there's people here, and you can do stuff. You can chill. You can have bonding with your family. Even this pandemic. Here's the ranch, guys. Usually people will come here and rent a horse and, you know, have fun with it. But now, zero, no people. And now we're here at Sakovir River. See, it's so pretty too, the place. The thing is, they also have the bridge where we are now. And that place go to other place which is they call Bamban, or like it's a part of Pampanga too. But we're not gonna go there. I'm gonna end the video to this place. So I'm gonna do more vlogs, but today I'm just gonna stop this video to this place. So I'm gonna give some video and more places that I took a picture. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you soon again, maybe tomorrow, for my new video. Thank you for watching.